Back pain has become most common problem in present days. The muscles in your lower back flex and rotate your hips while you walk and support your spinal column. But the lower back can quickly make you susceptible to injury. Even standing or sitting for too long cause pain. So, let us fix it with these yoga poses for lower back pain. Padangustasana. Padangustasana or the big toe pose is one of the easiest yoga asanas and is part of the first set of asanas taught to a beginner. It is a Hatha Yoga asana. Practice it in the morning or evening on an empty stomach and hold it for at least 30 seconds. Benefits. Padangustasana improves the flexibility of your body. It controls nervousness and stretches your lower back. The pose balances your body and mind and cures high blood pressure. Trikonasana. Trikonasana or the triangle pose forms the shape of a triangle and is hence named so. It is a beginner level Vinyasa Yogasana. Practice it in the morning or evening on an empty stomach and clean bowels. Hold the pose for 30 seconds. Benefits. The pose strengthens and stretches your back and hips. It reduces blood pressure, stress and anxiety. It increases the flexibility of your hamstrings and hips. The pose also reduces fat at the waist and thighs. Setubandha Sarvangasana. Setubandha Sarvangasana or the bridge pose is an asana that looks like a bridge. The pose is a beginner level yogasana. Practice it in the morning on an empty stomach. Hold the pose for 30 to 60 seconds. Benefits. Setubandha Sarvangasana strengthens your hamstrings and calms your central nervous system. It is therapeutic for osteoporosis and hypertension. The pose also relieves abdominal cramps. Bharadwajasana. Bharadwajasana or the seer pose is a seated spinal twist. It is an intermediate level yogasana. Practice the pose in the morning on an empty stomach and hold it for 30 to 60 seconds. Benefits. Bharadwajasana stretches your spine and hips, massages your abdominal organs and relieves lower backache. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.